Y'all think that sugar don't come on the boats? You gotta come up that ladder. Come here. Give y'all a look. Go down inside the hole. Now, mind you, this is the process before the sugar is being refined. It's just how this sugar in the raw. Y'all talking about all the sugar this, how you think all that other stuff y'all be eating come in? That stuff be all in the field, combines be digging it up and all that. It just, you know what I mean, gotta go through the process, man. Yeah, so we're back at the sugar bowl, baby. We gotta go down in the hole, see where he going? And then we're gonna end up down there. See, he just got down. To God be the glory, it's time to get busy. Inside the sugar hole. Sugar in the raw. Before it's processed. I'm about the hole, baby. Let's go. Sugar in the raw. Got to work, man. God said in the book, the man must work by the sweat of his brows. You ain't no real man until you serve God and you provide for your family. Other than that, you ain't no man. Yeah, I said it.